According to the report of website Wabeta Info, the latest WhatsApp beta version will be loaded with two new very useful features named Linked Devices and Advanced Search. The highlight of the leak is WhatsApp is developing the user interface which will allow users to access a single WhatsApp account in 4 devices at the same time. Means if you have one Android phone, one iPhone and a Windows laptop, you can still use your single existing WhatsApp account on all those devices at a time. The feature Linked Devices can be accessed from the upper right corner, the 3-dot icon. Right now WhatsApp web option is already placed there, will be replaced with Linked Device feature. This Linked Device tab will show us the list of all 4 synchronized devices and also let us log in and log out from these synced devices. For that purpose, WhatsApp is already developing the new user interface which will materialize the sync of all the devices. The other feature is Advanced Search, which will allow us to search among our chat for images, video, documents, GIF and web links. Both the features are now under development and it will take time to reach to us. That's all. Thank you guys. Goodbye.